OSM, or OpenStreetMap, is a collaborative open data mapping project started in 2004. You can think of it like the Wikipedia of mapping. It focuses on creating an open world map that can be edited and contributed to by people all around the world and then used freely by anyone. It's a massive worldwide project with over 1 million unique users who've contributed billions of changes to the global map. As with other online collaborative projects, contributor retention is a crucial problem. Having a reliable group of long-term users is crucial for the project's overall success and health. This work revisits research by Dittus et al. In 2016, where the authors analyzed the recruitment during 3 different humanitarian mapping drives and examined factors that may have led to recruits staying or leaving after the drive. We extend this work by evaluating if those findings still hold up for the present day, as OSM has grown and expanded a lot in the intervening years, as well as taking a broader look at these individual projects beyond particular drives. In our study, we focus on 2 different mapping drives, Missing Maps and Youth Mappers. To summarize, Missing Maps is a joint project funded by multiple NGOs like the American and British Red Crosses, and its goal is to map parts of the world that are vulnerable to diseases and disasters to help make rendering aid easier. The majority of its volunteers are sourced from mapathons, which are mapping drives where people are recruited and are taught how to map using OSM. Youth Mappers is a project with similar goals, except that it's organized through local university chapters, so that university students form its backbone. For a control group, we also considered the entire OSM user base to see how trends within the humanitarian organization might differ from the overall ones. For this paper, we analyzed groups of edits made by all users of OSM between 2017 and 2020 using a database that OSM provides. From the data, we were able to gather many metrics to mirror Dittus' original ones, such as short and long-term retention rates, chances of survival, and average labor hours. So these are some of the results that we found, such as labor hours, survival rates, and overall join rates. But for this presentation, we want to focus on one, which is the short and long-term retention rates. So we found that although overall retention rates had dropped for all the cohorts compared to the original Dittus et al. Paper, among the ones we examined, Youth Mappers was able to beat Missing Maps on every single retention metric. So why is this? We think that this is due to the different structures and structural incentives between the 2 projects. That although both rely on recruiting non-committed volunteers for the bulk of their work, as Youth Mappers is based around university chapters, it has a solid underlying pool of contributors to draw from. The structure of working in a club with strong social support mechanisms, as well as members spending a lot of time learning about Youth Mappers' values and mission through recurrent club meetings, can create very strong contributor retention, as prior work has shown. These insights, as well as others from the paper, can be applied to other real-world collaborative projects in order to increase contributor engagement and retention, and keep projects strong for the long term. Thank you.